Hi, we are Techno Exponent. After going through your job details, I understand that you need someone to build a financial website which will be used for daily upload of financial article and a podcast. Well, we will be able to help you regarding this. We are a team of experienced developers who have experience developing a number of complex yet alluring web and mobile applications. We are capable of making your project a cross-platform compatible, and we will make sure that it reaches all the forms of social media out there. Also, after development, the project will require daily maintenance of a quick article upload with proper reference, whose details will be explained in to the chosen candidate. That is, you will explain that later, I believe. So, in one of our projects called INV 500, we are doing something similar. So this is the project INV 500. I am already logged in as a pitcher. So in this platform you will find there are two types of users, that is pitcher and investor. As a pitcher I can provide some pitches, and as an investor if I find that interesting, I will invest in them. So this is a job opportunity. I can show my interest in it. I can share this opportunity. I can request a meeting. I can request info regarding this, and I can add this user to my contact. Let me see. So this is the details page. From here I can see when the post was made. The user has been no image uploaded, so I won't be able to see a image. But if the user is having an image, I will be able to see that here. This is the content of his post. So, and this is the image provided by him or her. The user or the uploader has also provided a document which I can download from this section. So these are the filtering option which I can choose, and I can toggle to see investment or see pitches, that is. So we are currently doing maintenance work in this project. As you asked us that you want some maintenance in your project, we will be able to do that because we are already doing that in this project of ours. So I also want to mention that for web application development we use different PHP frameworks like Laravel, Symfony, CodeIgniter, Zend, Cake PHP, Falcon, and many more, along with various JavaScript frameworks like Node.js, Angular, Vue.js, React.js, Express.js, Ember.js, Backbone.js, Meteor.js, and many other. So please let us know which technology would you like to use for developing your website. Also, we use React Native, Ionic Framework, Cordova, and Xamarin for cross-platform mobile app development. So I understand that your website needs only a few pages, that is the main page which will contain the blog or the article, and podcast on the font, that is, which will be able to be scroll easy to navigate between the articles and the podcast, that is, a user will be able to do that. Secondly, the second page which will only contain the about us and contact info, and lastly the third page, a page or an app which will allow individuals to input some data and provide them with the problem ID, that is, which that ID they will be able to contact you or your team about the problem they are having. We will be easily able to do this. And also I like to mention, we will start with the first two pages and then move to the problem input page, that is the last page, and it won't be a problem for us. So you want a blog and a podcast system, right? So let me show you one of our recent projects called Share Samadhan. In this project you can see there is a blog section. So here you can see there's many blogs, and if I click on read more, I can go to the details of the blog. As you can see, this is the detail. This was the date when the blog was published, and I can share the blog and also can comment on them by providing the comment, my name along with my email, and then click on post comment. So we can easily implement a blog for you if you like to. Now for podcast, let me show you. So this is a project of ours called Fox Music Factory. So we have developed the feature of hosting music files. That is, these are the music files. A user can play the music or can download them by adding them to cart, and for downloading they have to pay a amount which the uploader or the artist have selected. So we can easily develop a system for your podcast uploading, that is where the voice messages of the podcast will be uploaded and user can download them and can also listen to them. So I have a question, that is, will the user need to pay for downloading that? If so, we have to implement a payment gateway. So please let us know about that. Otherwise, I have already provided this link. You can check it out along with our Invite 500 link. So yeah, these were the projects I wanted to show you which have something familiar or similar which you want. As I hope you understood that as we have already developed these functionalities in other projects, we can easily implement them in your. So I hope we get the opportunity to work together. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.